Welcome to Suburban Propane's Tips from the Pro series. We put the pro in propane. Propane is widely known for gas grills and summer barbecues, but it really offers so much more for the entire home.
That's right, Nandini. Today we'll show you how for nearly 100 years propane has powered your entire home and industry and creates that total home experience, no matter where you live or what season it is.
What's better than warming up by a crackling fireplace on a chilly night? Warming up by a propane fireplace, of course.
Propane fireplaces provide a cleaner option versus wood-burning fireplaces by not producing soot or smoke. Plus, they don't have to be cleaned after every use. Propane-powered fireplaces are easier to install than wood-burning models, indoors and outdoors. They also deliver 5 to 6 times the heating capacity of electric fireplaces. Can you handle the heat?
Absolutely. Did you know that gas or electric is one of the first questions a homeowner is asked when choosing a water heater?
That's right. Knowing the difference is helpful in making the right choice. Propane water heaters take up less space compared to an electric water heater, and they support both tank and instant water heaters. They're also cheaper to maintain and operate. Propane water heaters not only take up less space in your home, but they can also do the job of larger electric units, so you can enjoy consistently comfortable hot water.
Propane is a versatile fuel that heats your home, powers your appliances, and you can even cook with propane.
Yes, that's correct. Cooking with propane on average lowers your energy use by 50% over electric stoves. Also, propane provides more even heat while cooking.
Which means no more burnt sauces, cakes, or casseroles. That's why professional chefs prefer gas-powered appliances. Over its lifespan, a propane clothes dryer saves over 2,000 pounds of CO2 emissions compared to an electric model. That's great news for the environment. Going with propane also means avoiding the cost of installing a 220-volt circuit for an electric dryer.
20% savings on your energy bills? Imagine the new wardrobe you could buy with that.
I would love that.
With the propane generator, you're always prepared for emergency situations, and propane is available even when the gas pumps aren't running.
Propane gives you and your family peace of mind during a power outage by providing heat, hot water, and hot food, even in the worst of weather.